In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix Discord update failed 2025. So let's get started. So first of all, that I would want you to do is to restart your device. I know it's pretty simple, but trust me, it works like a charm. So if you haven't tried that yet, then make sure to try it out first, because that would be the first troubleshoot that you should do if you are having some trouble here in Discord. So click here on the start menu and click here on the power icon and click on restart. After that, you want to launch Discord and see if you're still having the problem. If you're still having the problem, then we can proceed to the next one. So basically, most likely the reason on why you're having this is because of your internet connection. So if you're using a Wi-Fi, you would want to use another Wi-Fi, and then from there launch Discord, and then after that you can now go back into the original Wi-Fi. That has worked for me in the past, and hopefully it would also work for you, and other people are also saying that it worked for them. Next is that if you don't have another internet connection that you can connect into, is that you can just simply go and turn off the modem for your internet connection or your Wi-Fi, wait for 30 seconds, turn it on again, and then from there, you would want to connect, and then you just need to launch Discord and see if you are still having that error. In my case, it worked like a charm. And next is, it might be that your date and time is not correct. So you want to make sure that it's correct by going into the search bar and type in a date, and then you should see the date and time settings. You want to click on that. And from here, you want to make sure that this is set automatically. So set time zone automatically, make sure this is toggled on. And that way you are sure that your date and time is all correct. And then from there, Discord should now be functioning properly. If none of this works, then you want to make sure that all of this solution you have tried on first, and then now you can proceed to this last one, which is simply by reinstalling Discord. So first, you would need to go here into the search bar and go for add or remove programs. Make sure to close Discord first, and then just simply uninstall Discord right here, and then click on uninstall, and then install it again into your browser by going into discord.com, click on download, and from here, download for Windows. Now, if you have tried reinstalling Discord before, but it hasn't worked, I want you to try it again right now, because we have tried the previous solutions, and those should have an effect when you are reinstalling Discord. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.